Hi, I am John Jinyoung. I want to tell you how to act and succeed, so I made the presentation. We encounter many problems in our life. For example, from exams such as midterm to choice, and from comparison with dream and reality. At this crossroad of choice, there are many times when we don't know how to do things without regret to succeed. So I will explain in a total of three ways: economic consumption, dreams and choices in reality, and how to treat people. The first is that we need to know how to save from economic point of view. One of the common mistakes is to buy it unconditionally because it's cheap at 2 plus 1 event. In order not to make these economic mistakes again, you should act with a list. Your account book will be richer from trivial things, just like buying only what you have to buy with a list when you go shopping. Second, it's a choice in dream and reality. Many people ask you to realize your dream, but if you don't, you have to choose between these two. I think you should compromise with reality and find two points of contact rather than blindly chasing your dream. For example, if you want to be a robotic professor but you don't make money, you can take responsibility for your family. In this case, it's recommended that you join some companies and make money together with your favorite research. Finally, I explain how to treat people. Many people falsely praise themselves to show off themselves. But trust is the most important factor in relationship with people. This is because there is no trust, there will be problem with the person involved. That's how you can succeed if you act like that's all I explained. I hope you listen to my presentation and dream of better future. Thank you.